draw with another color. Okay, so basic shape is like this. Okay, the head is small. Maybe head is small, body is little bit up like this. The bigger body,
Sir?
yes, this shapes. Okay,
Sir, are you drawing the shapes with the red color pencil?
I just for understand, I just make the shape.
Okay. Like sir, we then make comics like that?
Yes,
Okay.
I make this another color pencil to understand clearly. The basic shape of this drawing, you know, this is the basic shape. Okay, this
Sir,
shapes.
can you spread and remove that?
So should we draw the one with the red one or the one with the pencil?
You can make with pencil, beta. The basic shape is like this. Basic shape like this. The basic shapes, okay. Now I just make it the basic shapes. Another hands. This type of character shape is like this. Okay, this hand like this. So basically, the big shoulder. This shape is a big shoulder. Okay, and small head, big chest, and small leg, like this. Okay. So you can create the character, start the character. I just make it like this. This is some tribal characters actually, this shape.
Sir, like when?
Some Amazon forest or African tribal.
Sir, what is African tribal?
African tribal character is so they are little bit of dress is so colorful or they are not using that much modern days. This
Okay, sir.
this figure little bit of gorilla kind of hand because they are still not. Okay, the shape is like this. Like this. You can create something, imagination. Like this. Okay, like this, the leg. You just imagine the character of Mona, the Maui.
So can you do your camera little down?
Yes, I meant in the hand size. Yeah, yeah. That much only. Lake is visible, na beta?
No, that the options are coming off the zoom like chat and then I cannot see. Okay, sir.
They make some design.
Sir, this we have to make our own or what?
This character you can make your own here only. I not draw two character. You can add something here, your own ideas.
Sir, this character looks like Black Panther.
Yes, this is like a Black Panther kind of. That's very interesting. This. I stop my pencil because I want to draw the face now. The eyes were like this. I make some tribal eyes. You know, they are using some colorful color in his. They were wearing some ornaments in nose.
So can you move your hand?
Yeah, yeah. You can make something.
Sir, we can make designs on his body.
Yes. Yeah, you can make some design come body and the face. I make some design on the face. That's why it just looks tribal.
So it's not looking terrible, looking good.
Sorry? Yeah.
You're saying it's looking terrible.
Terrible.
No, it's looking very nice. It's not terrible.
Yeah, it is not nice because they are always fighting with animals. They are survive uh, with a lion, tiger, snake. So that's why they are wearing the dress and color very colorful and very ugly kind of. Sometimes they are using lots of tattoos like this. So they are try to create their body like animals kind of tattoos. They're using animals skin, the bird feather like this. They're very close to the nature and you know. So animals also sometimes scared with this dress. Animals, tiger or lion feel that maybe it's some different animal. So they are using this kind of different ornaments. Is very different ornaments. This is the sword or something in his hand. They're using the bone of animals and create the you know ornaments and sometimes the weapons. So you just imagine that how I just first see this amazing movie called Mona. It's amazing character designer.
Yes, sir, there was a like protagonist just like this.
Yes,
Character.
yeah, just like this, honestly. Maui, the character. They're using this character. That's why I show you.
Sir, can I show now my completed? I'm completed.
Wow, that's great. We can make some tattoos in body.
Sir, I made so many tattoos on it. Can I show?
Yes, so please. Why I show this one? How to create the character. Make something like this. Okay,
Sir, can you see?
just a second, but I just done this. So see, this is the basic shape.
Sir,
Okay, but we are creating the shape to this shape. So don't see that, only maintain the.
sir, can you
Yes,
see?
Rita, I just want to see. Just a second.